Hello and welcome back to Programs and Me YouTube channel. We were discussing tokens. Next in that, let's talk about literals. Literals are fixed values that represent constant data in Python code. Here in this expression x equal to 10 plus 5, x is a variable. This equals to plus are operators. 10 and 5 are literals, constant values used in this expression. Literals can be used in mathematical calculation, or you can assign literals to the variables, or you can use these literals to compare values, or you can use it in conditional statements. Literals are the representation of fixed values in Python code. They can be numbers, strings. Just for an example here, 12 is a literal, hello is a literal. And there are different types of literals in Python. Numeric literals, string literals, boolean literals, literal collections, special literals like this. So we'll discuss about these types of literals one by one. So first let's talk about numeric literals. As I said, literals are used to represent specific values directly within the code, right? And if that specific values or fixed values is a number, then that is numeric literal. Then that is called as numeric literal. Just for an example, here you can see x equal to 10, 5.4, 4 plus 5j. These are all the numbers. So these are numeric literals. In this previous expression, 10 and 5 are numeric literals because it is number. And Python numeric literals are immutable, that means not changeable, and contains digits. And here you can see, here 10 is a number and it is an integer number. 5.4 is a number, it is a float number. 4 plus 5j is a number, that is a complex number. So we can divide this numeric literal into three parts, that is integer literal, float literals and complex literals. Integer literals include positive and negative numbers including 0, integer numbers. And here are the example. This is the decimal number, octal number, binary number and hexadecimal number. Decimal literals includes digits from 0 to 9. Base for decimal value is 10. And octal literals includes digits from 0 to 7. Base for these values is 8. They are prefixed with 0 and O. And next is binary literals. It contains only 0 and 1. Base is 2 and prefix is 0b. And then hexadecimal literals includes digits from 0 to 9 and alphabets from A to F. Prefix is 0x. Then we have float literals. Float numbers are called as float literals. Floating point literals are also known as real literals. Unlike integers, these contains decimal points. Next we have complex literals. Complex literals are represented by x plus yj. Here x is the real part and yj is the complex part or imaginary part, and j represent square root of -1. This is about numeric literals. Next, let's talk about string literals. A string literal is literal and can be created by writing a text or group of characters surrounded by a single, double or triple quotes. So word or text enclosed within the single quotes, double quotes or triple quotes is called as string literal. So here we have few examples. First one is hello. Here text is enclosed within the double quotes and it is single line, so this is called as single line string. And you can have multi-line strings also. Here you can see. You can do that using triple quotes, triple double quotes or triple single quotes. Okay, so this is about two literals, numeric literals and string literals. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.